Shall we play a game?
Game with me.
Yes, Joe. I will show you some video clips. You have to tell the name of that movie.
Interesting game. Let's start the game.
Okay, watch these clippings, Joe.
La 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 la.
Hey, one clip is from Chiru's movie and another is from Kamal's movie. Am I right?
Of course, you are right, Joe. Joe, have you observed a similar thing in these clips?
Yes, Bob. Chiru and Kamal both are heroes.
Come on, Joe, use your brain. Observe the sounds.
La 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 la.
Yes. Hero shouted once. We heard it many times.
Yes, Joe. Now you got the point. Okay, then tell me how it is possible.
Didn't you try this? If we shout in valleys and hills, we'll get these kind of sounds.
I know that, Joe. But how it happens?
If I know that much, I would be in your place.
Okay, I got you. It's because of reflection of sounds.
How these sounds reflect, Bob?
I will show you with a simple experiment. For this experiment, we require clock, pot, wooden box, steel water pot, and glass bowl. Now let's check out how these sounds reflect. Joe, first we hear the normal sound of this clock. Now we will place it in pot. Now in wooden box. Now in steel water pot. And finally in glass bowl.
Wow! Superb, Bob! How can we get these many variations from one sound?
Bouncing back of sound when it strikes a surface is called reflection of sound.
Thanks, Bob. Today you told me an interesting topic.